Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2016 Lexus NX200t. These things are actually really cool. I've been wanting to drive one for a little bit of time now, and we got one in inventory. Actually, I was the person who appraised this car when the customer traded it in, and I just took the inventory photos about 20 minutes ago. And I decided, you know what? Let's take a look at it. Alright. Original window sticker is in the car. Let's see. Nebula Gray Pearl. Gorgeous color. Dark umber interior trim. That's probably this. Heated front seats, all weather formats. Sticker price when new of $36,843. Not bad actually. 235 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque from the 2-liter turbo. Actually, is a lot of power for this thing. Camera, drive. You do have a couple different modes. You got normal, eco, sport. Let's go in sport. I do believe this is a 6-speed. Yep. Oh, yeah, 6-speed automatic. And thank you, Lexus / Toyota, for putting a torque converter in this. Could have easily put a CVT. Nope. Put a torque converter. Thank you. That's huge with me. I'm not a big fan of CVTs. Comfort-wise, it is very comfortable. Nice, fun to drive SUV. Really impressed with it. Over those cobblestone bits, which are really just crosswalks. Not bad. There we go, please. Thank you. Keep forgetting how much torque this thing really has. 258. That's a similar torque figures to my Focus ST that I had. It is definitely windy today, that's for sure. Test the brakes. Progressive, easy pedal. I would buy one of these. If I need an SUV, I'd buy one. It's actually really, I'm always been a fan of Lexus. Lexus and Infiniti, those are two great brands. Obviously, I work at Infiniti. But, man, it's a nice SUV. I mean, this one's got 51,000 miles on it. Still looks great. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.